Hey guys, it's time to talk about the upcoming flagship of Huawei, the Huawei P30. And not only this, we also have a screen protector leaks of the upcoming P30 family, as well as some more information about that. And here's also one more thing which is also coming with the Huawei P30 family. So first off, Steve Hemmerstoffer aka OnLeaks is back again with the exclusive renders of the Huawei P30. So as you can see, this is how the P30 non-pro version will look like, and I was expecting the camera hole here in the non-pro version, but it has this water drop style notch because for the first time from Huawei, the non-pro version will have a 6-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution instead of LCD. And currently hole on OLED is exclusive with Samsung, that's why we can see the camera hole only on S10 family at the end of February. Huawei Mate 30 might have hole on OLED, and speaking of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, according to rumors, it will have a penta-lens camera setup on the rear. Yes, 5 cameras on the back, but again we have a lot of time for the Mate 30 series, so take this news with a pinch of salt. The bezels here on the Huawei P30 are a little bit thicker, which I personally don't like, but again this is a render. Maybe with the final product we may see a significantly smaller bezels. And on the bottom side, here's a USB-C port along with the 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the right side here's a volume rocker and a power button with a different colored accent just like the Mate 20 Pro, which is a nice touch from Huawei. And here's no speaker grill anywhere, which hints that the P30 will also have speaker inside a USB-C port like the Mate 20 Pro. Now moving on to the back, we have a triple camera setup same as the previous P series smartphone, and thanks to Event Glass, we already know that the Huawei P30 non-pro version will have a 40 megapixel main sensor along with a telephoto one which offered a 5 times optical zoom. So difference between pro and non-pro version, especially from Huawei, is getting very closer. Also, here is no back fingerprint sensor on the Huawei P30, which also confirms that it will have an in-display fingerprint sensor. And as for the screen protector leaks, according to Huawei Club, Huawei P30 Lite will come with 6-inch display and a back fingerprint sensor. The Huawei P30 will come with 6-inch display and an in-display fingerprint sensor, and on the bottom side it will have a 3.5mm headphone jack, mic and speaker, and on top noise reduction mic. And as for the Huawei P30 Pro, it will have a 6.4-inch Quad HD Plus curved OLED display and an in-display fingerprint sensor. On the bottom side it will have a speaker and mic, and on top IR blaster and noise reduction mic. And not only this, Huawei has filed a trademark application for a feature known as 3D cute emoji, and the application was submitted by an intermediary named Indicopy, not sure pronouncing it right, and based in Lima, Peru's capital. The trademark is classified as computer programs, data processing equipment, and downloadable software. Last year with the Huawei P20 series, we have seen an AR lens which looks like a version of emoji from Apple and Samsung. However, the AR lens feature was replaced on the Mate 20 Pro with 3D live emoji, also called as Qmoji. The Qmoji allows users to choose an avatar, record a creative message, and send it to friends or colleagues. The 3D cute emoji may hardly be too different, except perhaps it will contain more human characteristics as seen in the image of Donald Trump with 2 different facial expressions, or it will be like an AR emoji of Samsung, or in other words I would say like Memoji. So this is all about the Huawei P30. For the full confirmed detail, we'll have to wait till the P30 series are unveiled. And yes, as for the release date, Huawei might unveil their upcoming Huawei P30 family next month at MWC 2019. So yeah, make sure to subscribe for all the upcoming leaks about Huawei, and yeah, see you soon.